Hello everyone, and welcome back to our unit on Earth and Space Science. Today we'll be discussing the weather and climate of Earth. So, when you wake up in the morning and the sky is so clear, and then later in the day it starts to rain or even snow, there can be a rapid weather change in a given place on the same day. You see, the warming of the atmosphere from the sunlight raises the temperature. What is temperature, you say? It's how much heat or coolness is in one place. You see, the sun sends heat to the earth, warming up the atmosphere and raising the temperature. And weather depends on the temperature, moisture, air pressure, and wind. Moisture is the amount of water vapor in our air, or otherwise called humidity. You see, as the water gets heated up by the sun, the vapors go up into the sky. Any questions, boys and girls? Yes. Okay, well, let me tell you about air pressure. The weight of air pushing in all directions of Earth is the air pressure. There's low pressure and high pressure. And wind is the movement of air from high pressure areas to low pressure. Movement begins as heat rises and cool air moves in. Then there's climate, and climate is the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. We have seasons like winter, spring, summer, and autumn, and the climate is the description of the weather in a certain place over a long period of time. You see, the climate influences how food is grown, which food can be grown, the clothes that we wear, the plants and animals that can live in that region. So let me tell you about our standard. It states that the weather is the combination of sunlight, wind, snow, or rain, and temperature in a particular region at a particular time. People measure these conditions to describe and record the weather and to notice patterns over time. Boys and girls, that's what we're going to do. All of us second graders are going to measure weather, and I'm going to tell you all about our exploration at a further date.